Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrel Mills Farms up in Zone 2B, which is Cochrane, Ontario, Canada, way up north. Up here, this is March 17th, 2021. We rent out cabins to snowmobilers. Our snowmobile trails are still open. I think our corridor is about the only ones that are still open. And today I'm gonna do what's called the Single Seed Challenge. Now this was started by Scott Head, and you can check out his YouTube channel, and his Facebook page is Black Gumbo Southern Gardening, and he is from Texas, long ways away. So he started this challenge, and it's just for fun. It's gonna be a hoot. I love watching the videos. Now you pick one seed, you plant one seed, you watch it grow, and that's the fun of it. Just watch your plant grow. And I picked a seed that it's called Black Cherry Tomato. And I got this seed from Carla in Nova Scotia. And this tomato plant will grow 5 to 7 feet tall. I'm gonna need a step ladder to pick the tomatoes. So I thought this would be a perfect one to keep in a planter. I might have to, get a bigger pot for it when it gets big and trellis it up maybe to the house somehow. But here we go. Black cherry tomato, single seed. Oh, I hope I pick perfect seed. Which one's perfect? I'm liking that one. Okay, there we go. One seed, get out of my fingernail. There you go, see it? One seed. Cover that sweetie up. Drop those seeds there. Now, I've got my marker along the side because I just used a lid from Chinese food. Take it, and I'm just gonna sit over that to greenhouse it. And hopefully it sprouts. If this seed doesn't sprout, then I'll do another video doing a retake. Thank you so much, Scott Head from Texas, and can't wait to see it grow. Bye.